Welcome to Restoration Specialists, Water Damage Restoration, your trusted partner for water damage restoration in Camden County, New Jersey. We understand the urgency when water damage strikes. That's why we're here 24/7 to assist you. Our experts employ state-of-the-art technology to swiftly and effectively remove water from your property. When you choose us, you choose peace of mind. We're your local Camden County water damage restoration experts. Witness the remarkable transformation of your space as we restore it to its former glory. Your concerns are ours, too. We'll answer your questions and guide you through the entire restoration process. We employ advanced drying methods to prevent mold growth, ensuring a safe and healthy environment. Time is of the essence. Our dedicated team works tirelessly to minimize disruption and restore normalcy. No project is too big or small for us. We approach each job with unwavering dedication and care. Call us today at 609-669-2155. Or visit our website at restoration-specialist.com/areas-served/Camden-County-NJ. Restoration Specialists, Water Damage Restoration, your trusted partners in water damage restoration in Camden County, New Jersey.